for you to tell me that you ever change Ogechi to become a nice person. No, it's only this place where she is now that can correct her. If she can now sit down, sit back, and think about all she have done, all this close to a decade. She was busy, tormenting the people, doing all sort of manner of, you know. I'm waiting for Ogechi. Where is the neck? You say you have my nude picture. You have all this. You have. There's nothing this woman
Let
has not said
me
about.
ask you, do you have a video proof of all this you're saying?
Of
Did
what?
you save them? Where she said she have your nude picture and all those things they call your dinawagi and many. Do you have a video of those things?
I know. I'm 100% sure that Ebuka has it. I'm
At this
101% sure.
point, you should have them in your archive,
No,
somewhere.
I don't keep such. At the time I was what? I was really. We are just like a team. Me and Ogechi, me and Ebuka. Ebuka was the one keeping all those. He was
Okay.
documenting everything, and
Now,
I'm 100% sure he has it.
you know the reason why. Sorry to cut you, brother. Okay, Edwin. Sorry to cut you. The reason why I asked this question is,
Okay, you want to know if I have it? I understand. Yeah.
yeah, a lot of people that joined this thing didn't watch Ogechi when she was acting all these acts. That's why many people come to ask me some question. I'll be irritated because I'll be like, what is this person talking about? They will be like, no, we joined 2 years ago, 3 years ago. I'll be like, wow, so you wouldn't know. That's why I am reposting, unless I didn't come across it. I'll post it because this is the only way people can actually believe that she did or said this to you. Because even in the court of law, equal like that, they will dismiss your case. They need to see the evidence. Do you understand? So even if you have it, that's why I said you have it, you will give it to me. I will post it on my platform because we need to give the people the evidence before the court. Can with our justice in our Facebook before the court of law, because all that Facebook cannot really call everybody. Cannot mean so Mondays and a half for Monday from a deny kind into their faces so that when they listen and they see the level of allegations, they will not put themselves in our shoes. Manabo, how I came at this level of allegation, can they endure it? Can they just forgive? Where millions or thousands of trillions of people have come across those videos. And now you decided that, you know what, let her come and prove it. Because this is the only way we can actually have peace and be happy that justice has been served. Then they will keep telling you sorry. They will keep telling, even when the person committed the crime, don't have remorse of what she did. Do you get me? That's why I came out for this, our brother. Somebody wanted remorse. I will not get you want a remorse. Even let's say remorse from when she have seen that this is a reality. Reality have really stepped in. This is no more a joke. Oh. Talk is no more free. Oh. So is that how this thing work in Nigeria and etc. Mba had the passport ya 1 month, 2 months. Ya na ga underground nine try to get it. Go on ga work. Back up with mana now here I here chill. Bido that time. Try to be remorsed. Chowa had to make peace, resolve, go out both online, private, anyhow she can do it. Software people's mind. Maybe I can settle here na Interpol. Interpol when a settlement room where two parties can decide to agree a done that taking that is if anything happened to me, and a day, many people in many cases like that in Nigeria. When you threaten me and you say, "I'm sorry," or Ghana stay CID, give them undertaking that that I no threat. I don't take any threat as a joke. I don't take any threat lightly. Then in this case, Ogara viral like this. Onya he demand their what they want. He gave me video to tell the world. Now he is now we know what him one. Yeah, dialogue. Now kidnap no question. They just go ya want information too. This Russian one, no, I don't have a proof. I had it from this person. I just decided to use it to curse you because we are fighting. Three. Ask him nange wagi no. I don't really mean it. I can't do it. Never. I can't do it. Get there undertake it. The child there. Onye cause a day. Okwa no when keep onye cause you want to prove. Onye a day. Nasu nange mehe dota. No, I don't mean it. I won't do it. At the chaya sign ya. And they went 10 years. They went 20 years. I sign the chaya. Onyo wona lawa. Amen. Peace.
Okay, because bigger fashion, let me tell me, I'm saying this in another form, in another way.
No, I'm just
We are
not.
talking-
This
I
is
know,
what
I know,
he could have done. I would
I
have
know.
been a very good
So,
friend. Did that so ya. Nigeria 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Okay, maybe that time I carry one opportunity where she's okay. Abana can tapo. Tapo nenye chance. Even police, they give space for people to settle out of court. Ono December. Actually, file loan. Got you go na court. Una gazi got you. You understand? So
yeah,
if
but
God
PJ,
this remorse.
PJ, PJ, do you know that this lady we are talking about, it's not one case? Wait a go.
We are
So
saying we are saying
if it's only one case, you can say we can come and resolve it that way.
anyway, let me tell you. Let's assume now that now all resolved with Maryam justice. You understand? Or resolve all with Mr. A or Mr. B. Mana, the other people too may still want to go that path. Do you understand? I will not be there from one person succeed there. I got it very obvious. I want you came from there. Yes, step one in only one remorse. So step one into Omeya 1, 2, 3. Other people say phone on a queue was like Dazemba forget to say the matter self. Yes. I was like
So
decide there to forget happens here. But whenever you see that one, I bet two, I bet three, I bet four, I bet encouraged every other person not somewhere to come out to. All collective effort kind of where you that like this thing that in because we were in court, we were steadfast. You see that other people are coming. But I be on that business. I don't want to. That is why Anagame aputime Kehana way again. Kehana way my mother put on a street. Because Kehana way
the,
aputa
the demonstration.
even demonstration like this. Ofonye puta Ofonya ko it will not be encouraged. The person will not come back again. But Ofonya puta ya be to matter join and before you know it, the crowd are not even increased. Encourage others to come. So what we are doing, encourage others to join. Oh, when I are not there, they will not even start. Nobody have interest to follow Ogechi.
Okay, but PJ, I want to enter together. Are you trying to tell me that if, like, assuming Nigeria, yeah, Jemba Enyere Bell out that 3 days grace to come and report in Abuja, she went there and I resolve all that particular case. What do you think would have been the fate of other people? Or do you think that one yeah, all resolve all America, yeah, change, or change human being?
No. Okay, let me.
Man, well, that is why the more reason we should even thank God that made that harden that her heart, because the main thing I took on our survey the situation, okay, make our people this safe. Like we that are already victim, I don't even care again. All damage you go my name, I'm going home, but you could be
Okay,
any on my
let me
eh?
come in. Let me come in. You understand?
All further actions kind of talk and stop. Oh. That's why if you see me coming out shouting every day by day, just of recent like people be the now what I have been shouting since. Even in my village, anywhere I go now, they now say, okay, do you know that they don't believe until they already today they believe we're not getting on now. Like cancellation. As well as many in Abia meeting now say they don't believe it.
Yeah.
Because why? They don't even believe that this woman were on them before. They just saw people like us, like we are, like you. We are even seeing us there as we are finding trouble. We are looking for this woman trouble.
Okay, do you hold on? I got a caller. Hello, sis.
Hello.
Hello, good evening. Happy afternoon. Calling from Canada, I guess.
Yeah. I'm on my speaker. I'm skip.
Yes, so yes, you are my sister. Preach on.
Okay. Because he has one more good doing. I'm sorry for cutting him off.
And no problem. I may
Yeah,
understand.
because because
Okay.
so get him no be.
Okay.
DJ say kam kenegi.
Thank you.
Say kam kenegi na video email today.
Thank you.
ndị Igbo tụrụ ilu si na iwe nwanne adịghị eru n'ọkpụkpụ.
Yes.
Ịgbanyeka ha dị very very happy. At least nke anụnwa ga-eshow godi that na nwa iteki gị as a real woman. I'm not mistaken.
Thank you.
Because Kinsila abụghọ nna gị, ọ bụghọ nwanne gị, ọ bụghọ no for image for humanity.
Yes, yes.
And that is what we are praying for. So humanity first. I ask you come this opportunity to tell them maybe a call because I don't know around. This opportunity to wake an intelligent caller. Intelligent caller for if one name. Then at the same time, Maryam justice because on the Madama Udi that woman bupuranya.
Exactly.
That woman bupura ibu egona amambu.
Keke poa bata, I tried to bring you on a ring, but poa again bata keke. Preach on, my sister.
Eota obupura ibu ego na amambu. Yes,
exactly.
Eota. And the Omehepenu detained women now not the wicked. In fact, Omehe detained only for herself, women for everybody. You understand? Women for everybody because he who knows on Ogechi Major. They unhappy with Ogechi. Ogechi Major home. I do hope happy with Ogechi based on if you hammer and if them.
Exactly. We have families.
That's the point.
We have families, we have friends.
So my point kita na bona somebody put on na jumuke if Ogechi melomu onya had the wrong. That question is a wrong question because if he melonyo akwụkwọ nsọ unu na-agụ nwa abụghị Christian ghọtago but amakwa m that na akwụkwọ nsọ gwara ọnụ akwụkwọ nsọ kwuru si according to okwu Chineke na isi imere onye ọzọ n'ime ụmụnna m n'ọnwụ ka imere ya.
Yes.
Ịghọta the point nọ there. So nke anyị ji wee bụrụ mmadụ anyị bụ mmadụ n'oyiyi Chineke abi.
Yes.
According to akwụkwọ nsọ anyị bụ Chineke kere anyị n'oyiyi nyanwa abi.
Yes.
So I want to know why you funding with a conscience. Funding with a conscience. If you know for you, ni humwa, no detail.
That is it. You are correct.
I told him one to also yes we believe for this thing. Or just like into a major kitana, I am a black person. When put a nose on favor and treat my fellow black. That is the way my like her. Oh, I brute because some more keen meditate.
Exactly. It's just like a web one. Oh, I need like a web.
Yes.
Okay.
You got at the point. So if I would not get him for you, and if we all keep quiet. If we all keep quiet, Diaro Anaba Ogechi and if I got photo me as the is what I go. So for me, aging that woman over, aging that Maryam justice over, did they one no back here up, everybody Hannah or back up, so without you know, she can't do it alone.
Yes, it's true.
She can't do it alone. So Ejimono Chani no but for Ibu no Bupundi.
Thank you.
Because when you find out Alibo, when you find out social media within the Igbo space.
Yes, that is yes, nice the same thing.
Because
I
can have people online. And the able balloon route Hosani based on different name now. Then I question that social media and the one on their BB. And Ali Waman, like that. Then I play by you women no go be na social media or Brahapanga or say, then maybe I was Yako. So Hello?
We are hearing you, sis.
Okay, my dear. So what is there now is that Ogechi nwere plan, enwere plan n'obodo and this thing ifuru ha mere ife a na-eme ife o tego since ha ji wee plan ya ime this thing ka nya ka e were ndị Igbo nya ka esu anyị ka ịma ka esi esu mmadụ n'igwe ka esu anyị ka anyị hapụ ịwọt anything in this world. Or if Ogechi planning for many years.
Ndị Igbo a na-eji ama atụ.
Yes,
Ndị Igbo a na-eji ama atụ.
Yes, ndị Igbo ama mmazi nwanne fa. Ndị Igbo ama wọtụzi anything. Enweghịzi onye respect ama dịzi n'ala Igbo because he watch akịta na no respect among the Igbos now. But at least egbujigodi that ukwu osisi aha ndị nke oyi ndị nke ya etonite ga na-atụ ụjọ ntonite. Or if unu mere ife a na Ogechi mere ihe in as far as the social media is concerned. Ogechi mere ife ka oke osisi. So unu enwetego data oke osisi dị osisi ndị ọzọ na-etonite ga na-atụzi ụjọ ntonite. Ọ ife unu mere kịta mana unu aghọtaghị. So ka ife ọzọ chọrọ ikwu na so ife m chọrọ ikwu adịghị much ife achọghị m ikwu much the point nọ dị na bụ gịnị onye a si jide nke o ji ma na nke o ji amata nke ahụ unu ji jidesie n'ike because unu na fight for a just cause. Ọ bụrụ that na ife Ogechi mere wu just ordinary thing ọ kaghị na ebe ọ nọ kịta. And mgbe ụfọdụ asị ka etinye onye oke etinyere Ogechi n'ime the expectation of everybody within the circle ya abụzi gịnị ka ha malụzi ife ndị otu ha ya eme then ịbịa wọchị akịta na ndị otu ha kọsụkwuorie nnukwu problem n'ebe ahụ na because etinyere n'ime okay let me just try and put her inside and see what will be the outcome of it. Then the outcome of it didn't work or anything. Ogechi if instead the outcome now what is it that man chasing thing cause or can happen.
Exactly.
Yeah, if you go the point, so he may be seeing everything, not to everything he has here. Or even just that according to Akaroko, also na Ogechi see for Marine Kingdom. You watch your Ogechi need and watch everything. The funny way you hear DJ from someone see from Marine Kingdom. The people that come from Marine Kingdom, they only come to destroy and kill. And don't forget name. So una wanika. Ya no ebe ahụ at least mgbe ọ na-anọ n'ebe ahụ two things ji Ogechi na let me just tell you ma ntụ aka na-ese ekwu nkwuchi onye ọbụla na-ajụ m ha afa ife two things ji Ogechi kịta na two things ji Ogechi na because mpụta Ogechi agwụghọ ife today oyogodi unu biko unu gbarụgodi Interpol jiri si asa agbarụbeghị ya NGO ya agbarụbeghị ya
request again
asị o jiri si ya na embassy agbagharụbeghị ya so two things ji Ogechi na either no Ogechi nwụrụ anwụ or Ogechi agbara ihe a two things efu ji na
mgbe ọ ga-adị ndụ wee ọ ga-adị ndụ wee hụ onye o mere nwe ya biko
ọ wụrụ ma ireceive repercussion o receive charge so the only thing chere n'iwu kịta ala bụ ọnwụ mmadụ ịpụara because the same one ha na-ekwu okwu o wishiretu ndị mmadụ so wishe ya ọnwụ ife ọjọọ akwụkwọ nsọ mere ka anyị mata that
this my call you were ewe go were wayo
you know na ha talk ifu ka esi ego tipia onye ahụ
were wayo my
sister you what I got the point so onye akwu twins unu ga lose very soon either na Ogechi anwụọ na Ogechi apụọ na
ọ ga-adị ndụ wee fụ ihe o mere onwe ya biko my sister
ọ wụrụ ma ife o mere onwe ya ọ fụghị already so ihe chezire kịta na-abụ ọnwụ ọwa ịpụara ịghọtara two things m na-agwa gị back my word any moment from now
my intelligent caller were wayo butuo
biko ọpụgo the call ọpụgo aka meji ya but ya gawazi
edubi nchọrọ ịjụ gị ajụjụ
ya jụọ
ngwa
my biko nwanne m nwaanyị iwe ga-adịla ọkụ ama m Ogechi o were ihe o mere gị directly because you are not even sounding like somebody maybe because of what she has been doing to people I believe when Ogechi mere gị mgbe ọ na ihe mmadụ na-ekwu okwu na-ewuchi mmadụ ọnwụ mana achọrọ m ịyọ gị nne lọtara from that side hapụ ya na komkom anwa hapụ ya na komkom because e kwuru m ya na Ogechi ga-atụtụrụ dị komkom and I said it ana ọ tụtụrụ komkom before ya banye n'ime Kuja ihe mere o ji banye na Kuja ọkwa na-eche ekiri ahụ na onwe ha amụ ewerizie ewe bugazie na Ọkwasuleja ebe ọ nọ na so wepụ aspect of ọnwa biko nne biko biko ọrụ ga-anụ alaiki m okwu niile o kwutere ọfụma biko ị ga-eche mgbe ihe mere mmadụ mere gị ngwa nga n'ihu
onwe ihe nọ na obi anyị ka anyị mara onye abatara nọ na-ekwu my sister go ahead.
The only thing m ga-asị gị na Ogechi mere mụnwa personally bụ gịnị 4 years ago mgbe m gara na Ogechi Okeke Njaka's page agara m there. I only write something. I didn't talk with anybody. Just there, Ogechi, are you sure that this thing in the market put to be in danger? That was what I wrote on her program. So the program will make it very, very disgusting. I only went there to write. Ogechi, my sister, are you sure that this thing in the market put to be in danger? Immediately I offer that comment. Immediately offer ya. Who even the metro command the one do Alicia. Oh, the comment hey Alicia block just because of open tomorrow. Everywhere or block one that time. But that blocking is not about even with them bogene. Kedu come to where draw your or feel there that's none name. Okay, that is then Jack who could that time won't make up. That's then Jack who make up. You got to go. And then another thing on me again, but only make video about them mad. Oh, they are now map more I want say gas.
It's true.
I will
you
never
said
lie to you.
You said
Mama do be strong very on at that word. Only make video about them mad. You want to go to get see remember it's not because of Ogechi hospital.
Chai.
Hey, no, wow.
Ogechi hospital. And since that time, I begin to wish her evil.
Because
I begin to when we keep on Facebook, I can't go minute of me. Or Ogechi immediately about the that in way course for ya and since I have course will be able to man or to wait.
Kola because you were them born on us and they didn't know.
Yes, I'm for me, threatened.
What evidence was they needed? Because all them are gonna confirm why and like PJ I don't need the video. The video so that I can bring it to I can just make all I will get it. But I don't even like watching it. What I do. So
now because I'm not going to get you when you're going for me.
Oh, many people got under depression because of all the things.
Yes.
Now what's
that? You understand the point. So Ogechi deserve
because Kola like how many years go got the Makato Ogechi? Was only
I say how many years go got the Makato Ogechi? I say how many years go got the Makato Ogechi?
Okay. Apart from if I heard before, I don't know or Arabia. If I'm when you kiss a guy for Ogechi now, when we can set your brand, yeah. If I'm gassing for Ogechi Kitana, at least let me say, Ope Katampe, come here 6 years.
Okay, good. Okay,
my
God. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Buto, Jehovah Beze, Buto, oh, thank you.
Okay, too many people sleepless nights. I understand. So, you know, some people need to call me, they cry. They cry for me.
My sister.
Aku going now. Wakwa now.
I don't not suspect. Oh, you know, just forget what I hear. Can not cut print. Come print here out.
Aku go.
Welcome, okay. Come him to you can happy to fear because of what our sister just said. Quickly, just a minute. Over one particular time, one new do not go on. Ama Ogechi Benko called Maryam. I can't remember. He man repeated that thing several times. A particular time, yeah, 2 years. I came out like this. And in Bangkok, survey on a trend. I came at the thing really pressed my chest. Man, see, what is all this nonsense tradition that is going on? Oh, yeah, within now, or you just knew do more in a threatening her. Anyone a buputia, one Indian help for this thing. Let's stop it. I condemn it, whether mistakenly, whether Maryam, anyhow, you spread the apota. Let's not help to share this thing through our platform. It is evil, it is wrong. Ogechi came attack on me. If you can remember that time, onye Alicia. Yeah, put a video when has on a call form and that over that delete here. Had that one master and never one general video. Even this woman Nana was even commenting. Nasi, Peter, thank you for saying the truth, for condemning the Numsia. Oh, when not condemn with the nude. But Nama put a home. Ebe two people na alu one hogo. Keji Benko Merenka because so Merenka. Merabel like one car because so Taranka. I live to it because I don't believe in. He made me him the Jiga justice guy with that case. Madam Megwagi no. Megwagi, which means I didn't ready to go for the justice. So Megwara get near ball wire there, get no. That does not mean I will not come and condemn. I just condemn generally because what I would say like a trending thing, nude here, left to here. Ejirisia who say nude kind of say make content. Mbia condemn why totally. Ogechi Okeke. And honestly, I was not picking on whatever she was doing that time. I was only generalizing it because it was like not only her platform now, both Tiwa both now. See, what is all this nude nonsense everywhere? This is arrow. I condemn this. I don't support any woman. Get her push another woman's nude. If you go there, why can't you protect it? Make a hoya. Now see here and I go over. Oh, you're not sending me on a phone now. Block her. Make a time here. If I don't download the demo and I sign here, I will block you and report your WhatsApp. So Hannah send me. You can't send it to me. I don't want to see it. I never request, and you send them a block all your number, report all your number. I don't want to see it. So I was just preaching, So to tell you how she want to like suppress anybody that want to condemn, or one and I go here privately, but now who's them as the enemy, and I was giving a very sincere, open speech that can where me head ya mando ze wure kwa nke ha ya bi attack me video back a problem in ya bidro first me video meta video ahụ Alicia ba into Alicia say oche no ya ka na refer to you na you are just doing general see so because Ogechi na ekọtọ nwan mhuzie he gbasara ọtọ chọrọ speak against it maka na ọ na-eke I will not speak against it or hunu chọrọ ịgwa m maka ndị na-asị where were you ganka na ahụ mgbe o mere m attack na nne condemn stop this new thing na-eme unu nchara na-esokwa comment kwa na that video ihe nchọrọ ịrụta aka Keke biko preach on.
TJ, thank you so much.
You're welcome, brother.
Okay, Dwayne. Dalo. TJ.
Yes.
Yani neku. They know that. Achonki check here. Most of the people Ogechi Okeke Njaka bidoro this bullying of a 10. Whether na hano with Ogechi now, whether na hano with Ogechi now, look at their life. They are still behaving like they are with Ogechi Okeke Njaka doing the same thing. Let me start from Sharon. Ogechi Okeke Njaka focus on no one they destroy Sharon focus on umuwokai, now bring her down.
And children.
And the children. Sharon has started on this thing. Omere from me.
No.
I'll start there from Ebuka Clemente. I want people to pay attention. Ona na Ebuka ne bankata ne kuku ka wanne na wanne etu amona Sharon siwe neku. With hope that Sharon is a good person. At the end of the day, Ebuka na narrate Sharon something na bakwa. Na video call kafana abu neku na WhatsApp. She recorded Ebuka and they brought it on Facebook.
I watched it. I watched that video.
To make sure.
Kesile idea here on an here Ebuka was complaining about.
No, because he's not with them that time.
Oh, good. Here Ebuka was complaining about Ogechi Maryam.
Yes.
Ogechi na drag ya, mego na akpọrọ mama ya. Ogechi Ebuka anaghị like ihe ọla iji mama ya egwu. Yotago. So and a lot of us are like that. So that was the complaint. That was why I don't meet in a sober mood. What I mean.
Okay.
That maybe Maro. The video is there. Okay, Ebuka has it. But it's not something that's supposed to be, playing out. It's so sad that something like that can happen. And that was an eye opener to me. It savaged me because I wonder, would the man I'm somebody quite emotional. I could have been one day maybe somebody abomo now because yeah, I'm this wrong. But what it made me to do is to be careful because it's the women are one again steady. It's a one again.
Yeah.
Good.
Now, at the end of the day, yeah, what you go to fortunate. Eba kind of as a fortunate. Nkaspa, nkasro. Nko infection didn't monk at the nanny. Ufone can de cook the same woman. Obiro there. You people from video post through. The same Sharon. Blasphemy Jinjinvenza. Danana Jinjinvenza, but na mommy California na like here. Danana mommy California na area. No, you can need mommy California, you can need their number. Sepa John Yane on for campus. Na Jinjingwaria, na mommy California na area. Na Jinjingwaria, na mommy California like here. Na Jinjingwaria, na mommy California chori for America. Obrumu wine umuwokai ko jide na ebegene na tarnish na bring gifa down opino na nkanwa ya bia to cancel the same attitude ijikwa album ijikwa record om onye nwa ejikwa emegi onye nwa ejikwa ha we emegi obi ho there the last bus stop yabo to intelligent caller. Did intelligent caller Maria? Nothing. The intelligent caller Biara Abuja. At the end, they are now directed Mirabel to record intelligent caller on a Hura and brought to Facebook. This lady specialized. They bring our men down without doing her anything. Emagondo mere n'ime ma ndị gbara ọsọ ma ndị na-ekwupụta nwa nkefa. The same attitude of Ogechi Okeke Njaka that Sharon na display. Blackmailing people, recording people on our ways. Now, at this end now, eje no say na ya bụ nnekwute nwanyị kedu ihe na-achụzie. Look at Ogechi Okeke Njaka now. Ogechi Okeke Njaka si na enwere ihe na-emenụ na ndị nwanne jikwa agba ọsọ court na ndị nwanne ji ha agba ọsọ court na onye na-agbazi ọsọ court ọ bụrụ ebe a na-arant Ogechi had here now. But tell them any move the tangible from these people. Or not just a journal and a coffee. Look at the fortunate. Fortunate in Muri, Ogechi Okeke Njaka. That is why fortunate have never for one day many things upon a son of Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Rather, on that insult on their Ogechi Wuroku, can even there not be bittered on Ogechi every day.
Okay, do it. When we comment in Nago, somebody see all the name Ogechi call you did not have evidence. You are not serious. Because okay, go ahead.
Now,
yes.
Ogechi no now.
Now
Language in a prison now. Ogechi
evidence.
no na prison now. Now language. A Western and an Ogechi buzi onoranga azondenga.
Oh, Diego.
Ogechi no nanga. Ne erase rindi mwade ego. But o chance ke erase ego. But what was erase romu ego ko puta there. How can you tell me that an no nanga? Ne erase onye no nanga ego. Ka kwori uguno. What about you? You never help yourself, and they are helping other people. Obrogani, yani nebo strategy. Faji, kahangwete sympathy from people. Another one, I see no Ogechi the reason ninga.
Okay, pause to 1 minute. Welcome the Queen of England. Ami Darapo. Welcome.
EJ, good morning from here.
Okay, preacher.
Wow.
Adolapo.
Kiki, welcome.
Ogechi here with account. Go where you go.
Petro, making
Ogechi here with account. With account. Ogechi do was like a bottle with ego. We're quiet. Amaka America, am I?
Oh yeah, powerhouse Ogechi.
At the end of the day, Ogechi in a prison. Fortunate na saga. Ndị ya na Ogechi Okeke Njaka nwere okwu. Ajụgo m ndị mmadụ sị unu ewezukwara n'ime mmụọ. How can you tell me Ogechi is in a very big mess and you are fighting the same people, insulting them?
Exactly.
Kedu ihe na-ewetara Ogechi? Ị na-ewetara ya ka ọ nọrọ dị ka ị na-ewetara ya ka ọ pụta? Do you know that all those things fortunate na-eme can never help Ogechi in any way? Rather, only put Ogechi in a very deep mess. And when they are forgiven, nobody is thinking about forgiving Ogechi. How can you tell me that? So, and another thing, I'm more fortunate than Ogechi ko Ugochukwu na Ogechi. Because we never hear from Ugochukwu. Not fortunate to that stand near your property, we say Ogechi. You will know something is deep there, but nothing concerning me.
Selfish interest.
Fortunately, now, when you work, after you had this thing, Toro family, and a cocoa over $500 million. And he's not talking about the problem of his own brother, his small brother. You are talking about one Ibuamu.
Okay.
I'm on we have no Ogechi Okeke Njaka these people Germans. You left your brother problem. Started talking about is he borrowing a property? Now over $500 million and with a true Toro foundation, your brother. You never say you will sell a property and rescue your brother. No one, you know so. When I do or no, we say Mara on and Yabago bad income. And the idea telling Nigeria government that no even is in the mother go. No get you in an spend of 100,000. Egondia one the mother to Ogechi Fanaka factory in Bezo because anything donation from Ogechi Okeke Njaka, they will have something to qualify to eat that money. That is why I had you wasting a hand ever and not on the go can we tell ladies and them man where Toro Uguno. Gawa wetter can we carry when he jaka, Neji a call on the mad Uguno. He wept Patagonia Jimaka where to go. It told on the mother Gawa web Tahaka Toria for Ogechi Okeke Njaka. This is how they are started embezzling money. And a trophy. And Ogechi had been there crying. Can shift to here from 8 to Kabogatan Anya for a year. It's only a million donation. Which means Ogechi is comfortable where she is. That is exactly what I'm saying. She's very, very comfortable. Not on Obi, not on a pallet. So nobody should worry. Everyone on Anga. Now, to go can them mother. Megan, now, you are very, very okay where you are. How can you come out and be telling people, don't get in a powerful? That's the intimidation. And not to see go. Fund the mother, not for Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Who is fooling who?
No, Oga na prison to
yeah. August, no, on an Anga Mezen.
Yes.
On an Anga Runo. On an Anga couldn't the mother who go. On an Anga the mother donation. Now, why are you asking people to? Because Peter Jensen, all the ritual for when that's running your mother, right? What you need to help in the mother?
Kesele, Ogechi can be mad waking on Anga. A lot of things. Come on, you have to do it from your pocket. PJ, are you understand? Even while Ogechi was outside, I was thinking that she was even putting her own money. When the matter no go ya mana 1 naira this woman ana ha banye. Oh, when the to go there tinye, iwe ga chebiri nwanya na eme dia. So nwanya enweghị anything dị wrong n'ọnọ na prison na-enyere ndị mmadụ aka mana ọwụzi nọkwa na prison ahụ na-emekwa ụdị ahụ na-eme outside as really can't understand but ya nụrụ na a na-ereze ego for court case ya ahịa na-anụ but ugbu a na-anụkwa na ọwụzikwa na ọ nọkwa ebe eme ọ nọ na prison na-eme ọgọ and onye nọ na na-face case like this ekwesịghị na-atụrụ ya ego. Onye no inside, you're not doing go for what?
Okay, doing listen. Has state na go fund me. Then na Ogechi Okeke Njaka. And we go gini. All the go exhausted nego. Then the money you but I have finished. Now this case. Get it. Then they need nego for court lawyer. Eka wande mwada na atuzi. Kono sireji ne bozem and ozo. Now, Western Ogechi agoziene ononanga emogo. Ononanga aruno. Ononanga akurende madu warrant. Coach me so choose patadia. Because what they are stated is Ogechi Okeke Njaka ego yagugo. That is what they are wrote there. Peter about man me kuye of man.
Yes, it's true now.
They said the money have finished.
No,
they're going to
Batagona. Continue.
Just where to test your gonye. On your jidesi, or when I sustain it, on a synergy, making it. I couldn't them mad uguno. Don't get it, no charity call or make it a web of one and cannot.
Casely, that causing more problem for this woman because because our correctional center with an meal morning, afternoon, and evening, and all the against money put an na Nigerian prison na outside the bunye madin every day 100,000. So which means what is allocation na map out AJ feed the prisoners. Mere AJ where people check and go mere AJ where some anywhere room where case ka mmadụ nọ outside na their court. So that can we save to any from mega na map out. Ọ pụtara na ndị prison in Nigeria na-enyezi prisoners nni. This is the question to left for the yeah.
Once I get that one, it was a right. Decide not to eat any aged in a prison.
Na Nigeria Constitution.
Yes. And when you care, somebody volunteer every day, maybe once a because I didn't visiting day. A man make way every day. I didn't visiting day. Maybe.
But it couldn't every day. It's totally against the Constitution of Nigeria, I'm sure.
And then visiting day.
Thank you. So every day I was visiting there in a correctional center in Nigeria because na cheat here, Mexican prison officials like anyway say so here aneku always okunu. Yeah, aneku about prison.
Look at evidence jade. I want you to get in any nga. I want you to get attention.
Once in a week, okay, too small. Once in a week, and then we're visiting day, either a week or so. Then I will get provisions and all those, beverages.
PJ, because you are not well informed. Because if it is like public, something that you are not well informed. Because he's late now. An uncle Roro na Enugu prison for many years. He served till I know about everything about prison. Because yeah.
Not to eat their food,
Yes, PJ, Debbie the good man, but I go here the feed. You can never ask public. You cannot be telling them. No more Gadi Menga, they told you didn't never. Sister public to what they got while you did for.
That's where I'm coming. Oh, when I write, not get in here, which means I get way back a door there. Yeah, we're in here, whatever. And I got
and not to come and sit for money for the public.
No.
Now,
so, if you are seeking for a Higeridia, you are being lost because the government is providing the food for the prisoners. That one is established.
But how many billion for prisoners?
Enough. Diego, you can't seek for that. You can't seek public fund to feed in the prison. No, because how they feed the people there. Each feed outside the prison money. You have to use your own money, which means Diego, you are where to do. Oh, you cannot take all get doing.
Now, PJ, another thing now. Another thing. Only one to tare gawananga. Kuch account. And can I want to anchor that program?
I can one send the Diego Yaga as a delivery.
I can't warn you because he can't tell me in on anger. There is what they go getting account to the money. On account to the person, con account to account to anger, con account to the Gawanaba.
One question, man, this woman always live with public fund. Invest with public fund. Everything about her is about public doing it for her. Now she's in prison, she wants to maintain the standard. So it's up to you watching me. He decide only when they live luxury in a prison. They feed the others to there. When enough to give to others. I just say weregi na tumbere na say to ego ke feed the other people there. While even the people that you can use that money to extend. I go outside, then I on in the street. Oh, that one kind of whatever they are doing, they are using the excuse of not feed the people there. Can we seek people's attention? They want to blackmail people, emotional blackmail. That people wicked will take. That's why they are using that avenue, using all those excuses, flimsy excuses to raise the money. Or that she can't feed there. Or that they are not providing for them. They are. But it is your choice. If you don't want to eat their food, you have to use your money, not public fund.
But I can beat my chest to tell you people that whatever these people are doing, they are not doing it with the approval of Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Why? Because number one, our prison, listen, Anehema allow telephone. You know what I mean? So and they said the quack doctor on a US and that thing. He left Nigeria where on a Benila and Woko. Togechi were man on Ozi outside.
People that seem to but on the back.
Back. So as a matter of fact, they are just doing that thing on their own. Because now Ogechi they are aware.
Request back now.
Our prison officials into trouble. As far as I'm concerned, I never use telephone in prison in Nigeria officially. I never use there. So and whoever is doing that thing with Ogechi in them is trying to make us believe that our prison authority are not up and doing, which I have don't believe until proven wrong. Because you should the man with 1 naira chain and that thing. I was hearing about that fundraising. You see, they were doing it inside themselves. Maybe Ogechi was doing it while she was outside. Most times, most people that are donating money are just audio money, or maybe they arrange it somebody. So this is a band. I know it is a criminal band, but Ogechi na Tanzania Nani. Ogechi na-arụ ihe anyị niile na-eme na social media wụrọ naanị ya. I know it's a syndicate. Kids are good idea. You know it's a syndicate. Nke wụ nwanne PJ dị involve a na-akpọ Emeka. Not mean. PJ ọnụkwa dị a.
Here.
One day nwoke dị involve na that syndicate.
Yes, my brother. And
so kwesịrị na nwanne gị dị involve. But name na ọ gbara gị isi onwe ya na.
Let me correct you there. Let me just correct you there. When I noticed that something that is not right, that something was going wrong in this case, Ogembera, Kulimana, Emeka is very crafty. Emeka, just take that word. A mama word doesn't get used here. Emeka is very crafty.
Crafty. Oh, na I need to go to school. Crafty or no shirike.
Emeka is a awo.
Okay.
Awo. In a sense that.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, something. Do you understand? Then this is something I try to like where I see as a work we should go more than me through small quorum things. You see as a wish because this woman is like no na have one mother in here on board. Onya when lewa no na eme head right on ekwu ezoku na ihe ọ na-ekwu onya ha banye na problem no mere m ya na mbe wepụtara gazette ajụrụ m ya joy deny ya no fake until me got information from outside. Ha agwa m na ihe ahụ ure ma bịa confirm ọ ga Nigeria confirm
because watara ndị mmadụ ihe gazette because mgbe ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ amara because gazette wụ na a na-achọ ya achọ na Nigeria na-achọzi ya achọ eti ego bounty on hand wanted because no ya gazette ngwa gaa n'iru.
And I was like ya kocha mo bere kocha otu o siri ego na ndị otu ya Ogechi gwakwa m ihe ọ gwara m na ya ga-eme sure na ọ tụrụ Emeka nga for iri ego ya na ya na-echego dịka oyi zucha ya gacha this case ya gacha case a ya bịazie bịa bupụtara ya chapter ya ma bịa gwa my brother sị ya chọọ wee gị ama m na iri ele ego anyị ga-akwụ ndị so ụgwọ ka ọ wụrụ afụfụ ịtara according to you na afụfụ ga prison chọọ wee gị because na nwaanyị a na-echekwara gị ihe ọma. So now the only advice m ga-enye gị as a brother she from the same place echi know her m ga-agagide m na gị ga-acha ụzọ in fact ụkwụ ka a ga-esi cross on my house so ihe nji na-akọrọ gị ihe. So if you like you listen, if you like you do your bit. So at the end of the day Ogechi were 200 150 pay ya na ka ya continue kwa ga court ahụ. So nga ka nọ si ya it is your business, it's not my business anymore. Do you get me? So onye na-akpọ ihe ọwụ nwanne nọ na mba ihe mene ya mere wụ nwanne nọ na mba. Do you understand me? Nwanne nọ na mba true n'ọkwa nwanne m ka ọwụ. Do you understand? Onye gịnị ya si n'ofu ebe nwanne gị. So otu nke ahụ si wee kwa nwere na request ama block gị now mama onye ọcha dị ihe I will block you if you request here again. So Ogedwin, thank you for stopping by. KK, thank you for stopping by. And you guys have really contributed, and I would like to wrap it up within 20 minutes. You guys can hear me, right? Ogedwin, am I still audible? Ogedwin, am I still audible? Okay. Can meet yourself. Yeah, I want to make sure that no. So my people, thank you all my callers, people that join. Ami, I want each other contribute. You can come in and contribute. Now, the reason we made this video is for KK and our sister Maryam Justice. And I'm happy that one or two people calling to still say one or two to add to what I have said. Ogedwin, thank you as well. And Ogedwin did not even talk about the apology our KK made to our Maryam Justice. That was the reason why I log in here. He didn't make reference to that. Maybe, yeah, I'm just trying to, call our attention back. That is the purpose of this video. Do you understand? Because asking ewu anaghị okenye anaghị nọ n'ụlọ ewu nwụọ n'ọbịrị. Yes, akwa ka esi ekwu ya. Onye ona no no, okenye ona no no, ewu anwụ n'obere. Oh, okenye arụrụ ala. You get me? So, I just want to join voice to our brother, like I said before, to plead to our sister to tamper justice with mercy. Please. Like I said before, KK is ready to go and do more if that video is not pleased to you. He will do more to make sure you are happy and to satisfy your soul, your spirit. Because people don't know when you hurt people's soul spirit, even if the person did not fight you physical, you will not like yourself. As far as Nako okay, KK is coming back. As far as Nako, that's why you made John Madro. We put pride and they ask for forgiveness. Enjoy forgiveness with sincerity. And that person attach you will see where God work. Give who there is a way God do things. Give who na Chineke na nokatota turn all things around without you knowing. At first now you are here, you're always sincerely from your heart. And he that sees the heart have already seen that you are sincerely sorry and sincerely sober in that act. May that person I forgive you will see God in action. You will see him, he will turn the case around. Do you understand? Sorry from the bottom of your heart goes a long way. Hapuzea just mayor, not fake. Not the people that will come out and fake. If you fake it, it will not work. If Putaki mayor because it's your mayor because okay mayor because that's mayor. Oh no, you accept. You will see things turning around the other way. That is exactly what happened to Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Ogechi asked my apology. And apologized to email just because she wanted her passport. Not because she wants to apologize from her heart. Not because she's sorry. Not because she's sober. Not because she have a remorse. No. Because she just wants to get what belongs to her and go back to America and continue from where she stops.
Exactly.
That is why that thing did not hold water. That's why Maryam pushed her to the worst mistake that landed her where she is today. That's why every effort Mama make to make peace, even when the Madam Justice want to accept, she by her own hands too, because the apology is not coming from her heart. She put herself in more to where she is today.
And the mother will be crying watching her jeopardize all her efforts to bring that peace. You notice
here when she came out to do apology, she instead of her to concentrate and face the apology video, she was insulting others in the apology.
You know why? Because she's following the comment section and then I say jive on.
Hold on now. In the midst of apologizing to a particular woman, if you know Yajigi, you are still insulting other people. And you forgot to know that, to understand that this woman is not fighting for herself alone. She wants to liberate Nibo on social media and a bully. And you are trying to say, I will apologize to you. Give them a chance. Can we care host or deal here with this riffraff?
Yes.
How would the key?
Thank you very much. Emma, why all those apology was going on, there's also a lot of people that were praying that thing shouldn't hold. You know what I mean? And those people are the people that went on and telling her, oh, don't apologize. So this is the problem this woman with. She was being carried away all these many years. She never knew that all those people are home. Now, now say carry on or carry tackle. They are just not happy with her. They just want a way to get her, to push her into that in which she found herself in. She made herself to. I'm sure if nobody will see me, nobody should see me as a bad person or somebody never. What we are talking about now is no more about her incarceration. They are talking about, will this woman be able to go back to US again? This is area people should be concerned. because authority na watch you. Authority are watching. US authority are watching to know the outcome of this case. Which if it didn't come out in her favor, which I'm sure is not possible, that Ogechi can never, evade justice, because more never. Okay, there is something. Only more got Ogechi nga. Only goodness case got Ogechi nga. So I would have bragged and it's not about that corona. Some people ever now say, well, evidence again, I better get you the corona alcohol. Oh, shows you can make work where. On a madison knows and Gapatana and name steady. PJ, since you know me, have you seen me one day? Be a person Ogechi no Zuhoshi. Where's Oku?
No.
One me queer. So for me, I see everything that is playing out now is good. California suffer than Ohagana suffer because of California matter. I know it's a syndicate. Yes, I know it's a criminal syndicate. But who is the front runner is Ogechi, who they are using? The mask is Ogechi. And she's facing the dance now. Olahia, fortunate to which other. Last time on my bad day, just barely how many months. $40,000 gift can win. Why can't you from that place sponsor all this thing now in again and embarrass yourself thinking that you for me, I want you to one naira and I go fund you because nobody should. I don't know why that should be a topic.
I'm doing it in Alazi as well. I could go fund this sense now. Hey, the next day I report I could use. Hand amazing fundraising between themselves with their personal account or whatever. And
yes,
whatever, it's not our business.
That is their business. It's not our my concern is to make sure na court to see it. Why Abiazara on there? Gotta go. George say ne jebe ni ba maragi. Even I got put their compensation for it. What I go you mean?
Everybody will not continue to display what she did on social media, even to the government.
So that's the main thing. So for me, a lot of people believe we gonna get in cancellation. I'm not gonna lie, a lot of people can hear no prank.
Anybody that believe doesn't have a social media handle.
I'm just telling you, a lot of people don't believe. They don't believe in the sense that
somebody saying they believe we don't have a social media handle. Or person can or another one. So no, if people that they are wounding street advice. People that listen to street advice. Do you get me?
Look at 191 suggest as CCS. For me, that CCS is all kukuredima. It's enough time for her to.
Okay, you have not said something about our brother Kingsley made a video apology to our sister regarding that voice that was trending. Claiming.
Came on made the video.
Okay, you didn't watch me. That was the reason why I came up here.
No, Kemba made the video.
Today, come here.
Wow. Emma, I've maybe you have not been following me. I think I'm one of the first people that came out and spoke in support of, Kingsley, pleading to my sister. As a matter of fact, it's my junior sister. My Rachel is my junior sister. You got to get me. You got to go. I'm dead. So I spoke. You got to get me. I've said it, I think 2 or 3 times. So I'm happy. Nah. Kingsley, continue apologizing. Any opportunity you will keep apologizing. In short, as a matter of anytime you want to come on live, come out with first Maryam sorry for what I did to you. Because I know that he was lured into that thing. I know how everything played out because I warned him. I warned Kingsley. I want not only because of I want that make sure avoid certain people. But at the time they didn't understand why I'm doing it. Today now who go know the reason. So that same woman has no nude picture. Only money could book on her phone. So I'm happy What I mean that she did that thing to Ebuka. That thing was my savior because I could have maybe started having contact with such a person. I would think it's something, but I will not take it to this level. Hoa, I will tell you here, I'm somebody I'm not supporting Hojo. Kingsley really very very wrong, very condemnable, and I condemn it. You know what I mean? But I know what played out. When I compare with nke Ebuka, it's two different things because Ebuka una wetere ebe emotionally down. Use video ya, bupute ya. I don't know what nke Ebuka mụ amala uru ihe abara onye a. Ọ ka ọ bụrụ na e wetere onye anwa ebe ọ dị na esomaburu ga-egosizie ya ndị ụwa. Nke Ebuka ga dị safe. Ọ nweghị ihe Ebuka kwuru kwutọ mmadụ. But Kingsley really made a very big mistake. Whatever that made him to go to that level, I believe that with this constant apology on him, okay, met one them why I can be because I'm now he was deceived. What I mean, maybe Oma deserve na record here. Yeah, feel is I'm gonna this opportunity. Maybe I I can't even say whatever transpired there, but for me, I went him was there because I don't know what really happened and who can know Kingsley's own stand. Who can he regretted everything and he's so disappointed that he didn't know that they were recording him. What I mean, because yeah, people don't go record. You take engineer, yeah man, record here. So that's my own. Only they play when to the public. Can you show them achieve? PJ. Can you achieve with it?
The person, if you want us to talk about that thing, anyway, we
no,
can.
for me, only and I get on Kingsley is getting on someone else.
Okay, Edwin, if you can give me 2 minutes, I will tell you why they did that.
Okay, go on.
Confident and the sincerity in me, what play out.
Yeah.
The reason why they brought that voice to the public, because they plan to stop the journey where we are today.
Okay.
Play that voice.
They wanted to use it to hold her ransom, maybe to tell her, if you don't stop this case, we're gonna release it. That was the purpose.
Allow me to land.
Okay, go on.
My talk will turn a sad. He break Hannah, ma lose all the point in Chorehit. That voice that she played. Oh, when I got on, but I will get to that level. She played that voice to destabilize this justice. I know now. One, because Madam Justice asked her, can you send me that voice? Let me see what the record is all about. Let me hear. The woman said, okay. She waited. The next thing she said, she wants to play it herself on the social media. The woman said, okay, if that makes you happy, go ahead and play that voice. But if you defend me with that voice, but if you, because the woman don't know the content of in the voice, she doesn't know the content. If you defend me with that voice, she went ahead because she's already mapped it out. They planned it. They thought somebody else, the woman is paying attention to somebody else instead of them. I gotta make like a parable here now. The woman is paying attention to somebody else instead of them. The woman have blocked one of their cabal. Is now listening. They think Kitejan Kola is more listening to or pay attention to more than them. They are not irrelevant or whatever. So they want to destabilize the justice. They want to be like, without us, this justice, they didn't do it because they love Ogechi. Listen. They did not do it because they love Ogechi. No, they did it out of selfish interest because they wanted people to believe without them being in this picture, this justice will not try again. Wishi. Can you whatever voice out where scatter the woman's brain? Can the woman drop or you never said Ogechi chose Ishia? Go get you choose or penetrate ya with a passport ya la ha putaze church in Wangore since Aguamuna. Now we they run this shit. Now we they run them. Now, That is why that voice came out. That voice happened out because they love Ogechi. No, they just want to use it and take credit to themselves. Now, playing the voice will not make the woman to lose guard and weak and sober. Ogechi will not penetrate before they have gone behind and have a conversation with the Ogechi cabals. They decided that with this thing, Kinsley, the woman, and Akaroku would disorganize all of them with this voice, scatter everywhere. Eba wanna have feel that this is relevant in this fight. Yes, and their Oga pata of New Shara was involved 100%. Is a plan. That's why that man keeps saying, no, when no go gather very soon. Now I got about brutal saga very soon. Oh, could that in weeks before voice happen?
Or that nurse I want to doctor.
Oh, would you okay? No, I could get more of veteran.
Okay.
New Shara veteran, Jinjin Venza. So they now plan to play that voice. They all plan it. It was a team plan work. There's nothing anybody would tell me. I study the whole thing. Now, unfortunately, the voice say Kinsley Okatori establish the destroying and scattering the struggle. So that can the woman follow into their pity. The woman under their captivity, corner under their mercy. But the woman did not respond to that manner. The woman said, give it to me. That's why she refused to give it to the woman. The woman has said, okay, no problem. If it makes you happy to go ahead and play it, play. But if you defend me, if I call you, you answer me. She said the woman, instead of the woman to start pleading, she been arrogant or pompous, whatever they use it. So therefore they will play it because they know their target.
Yeah, PJ, I can reason with you. I can understand exactly because I know that those people are not even in any way supporting Ogechi. You know what I mean? I mean, Gingiversa doesn't. I know that one.
You understand me now? Me I my case with them right now, but I have
understand.
to tell you the way it is.
I understand.
I play, but now they are like this. They will not go that route.
So, but my own now, don't you think that my sister did the very right thing? Because anytime Madi Jiggy ransom with something, don't
She
ever
did a
come.
wonderful right thing because they
Thank you. Like who I stand on them. Opportunity man I can hide you my nude picture and I say bring it out. But if like I succumb one day, they can now bring out somebody's nude. I say, surrender. Anybody Jiggy, that's why but I don't want to mention her name because I don't want to mention her. Each time I mention her name, she always come out, saying another thing. 191 no US. I like that thing she did. By knowing that Haji, I say, nude, we don't do this, we share your nude. That's acquire escalation. Acquire shortly at the beginning of the downfall of Ogechi. For that girl to stand up and said, enough for doing a Tiwa Savage man. Say, Lala, you cannot hold me ransom. I love people like that. So which I will not mention them. So my sister Maryam Shehu, kudos to you. Kudos. Everybody, even a blind.
Okay, do network again.
My sister is not a better mother. I call button on my phone, sorry. Yeah. Okay. My sister Maryam Shehu, I would a better mother. Let her go. Are you there?
Yes.
My sister Maryam Shehu, I would a better mother. I want somebody can easily access. I want somebody can easily walk.
Yes.
Very important call now, but on my phone. So, because PJ, I want to leave you. You see, can run now, right?
Yeah.
Thank God. I want to appreciate all the lovers of the truth, all the people that never one day considered. Amaka Dorati Okwaya Biarambawa. So such people, I have respect for them. In as much as I don't talk with you people any day, every day, anywhere I see people like you, PJ Fashion, I will not hesitate to come and give you people a hug because you people are savior of the world.
Thank
Jiden Kupit, yeah,
you.
Dalone,
Okay, thank
yeah,
you, brother.
yeah,
Thank you.
yeah.
And what to say? Okay, good. Before I continue, let me respond to man. I'm not on screen. Modistin Nachawa, I don't mind comment. I want to respond to this Ogechi Brown. PJ, I know you are sleeping with Kingsley. Soon he will talk about you. Okay, let me first of all, I don't want to block wrong person because when they not comment under you, can have make mistake block her. Okay. I will not block you. I will ban you. You are banned. Now, let me move forward. Because so I just said it, and I may not have conversation with these people. I'm not in their cabal as they call themselves. There is just a competition of interest. There was a competition of interest, competition of not recognizing me. Because if you watch the video, when they were preparing, planning themselves to throw this bomb, their guy first do a video telling us, no, we'll do this very soon. Came out again, you can't even appreciate somebody in any video. You can't even recognize this and recognize that. All those words were coming out. That was when they were planning how to bring the woman down, to ridicule her effort not to get Ogechi Okeke in her place, not to put her in her place. So they wanted to destabilize and they take away the justice. Thousands of people, Ndibo, Nacho, many women, men crying, people that went to depression because of a lot of people that was pleading, crying, soaking their chaplets every day, a day like today, me and you know, for justice. They just wanted to use out of their own selfish interests. Because click love and like it. Somebody is clicking mad face. I'll block that person later so that they will not report this page. Out of their selfish interests, they just wanted to, jeopardize millions of people justice, millions of people happiness. They just wanted to use just out of their own selfish interest to jeopardize thousands of people looking for justice by playing that voice note. But at the right time, God asked me to move in. God asked me, move in. I came out of sober mood, out of pain. I could not listen to that voice to the end. Up to today, I can't tune that voice gayer more than 2 seconds. The first page, the first one I listened to, I unfollow that page, I block that page. I only listen to side talk when people talk about it. If I can't stand that kind of demeaning voice, what about the person involved? I came out, condemn it. I thought condemning it can actually, I speak in my own little wisdom God gave me. I thought I can speak through their hearts so that they can stop. I use all the parable on this earth, try to analyze that voice without no insult, without no bully without ridiculing anybody. I only condemned the voice. I only said this is not like defending yourself. Mine with Ogechi is a different case. She lay allegation on me that I joined Emeka to steal her 35 million and many other things join in that matter. Because I have the conversation, how Emeka and that money went, how she was relating to me as well, confiding in me what Emeka did to her, and how I was telling her what, Emeka did to me as well, little project I gave him, and what happened first and second. Do you understand? So it was them, both of them made me understand they had problem without me knowing. But she turned it around that I has been with Emeka this while. I am the reason why Emeka duped her 35. The reason why Emeka did this, Emeka did that. I have to bring out a conversation that tally with that allegation to debunk her lies. It is different. Now, I was like, if you have issue with Kingsley, and you have Kingsley is saying you did this or did that, or you are this or that, whatever, and you have a conversation that link with you and Kingsley conversation, you can bring it to debunk Kingsley. Yes. If you go to the court of law, he defend me, he lay allegation on me that he slept with me or whatever. And I have to bring out our conversation that to prove the word that we are only friend. We are only casual friend. The conversation will clear it all. That I have nothing to do with this man. But this man said that he slept with me and this and that. That is the reason why I have to release our conversation to clear myself before the world. It is a different thing to compare to. You are having a case with Mr. B. You brought a Mr. A, something that would destroy Mr. A, which means you are fighting Kingsley, you are fighting Maryam Justice together. Now, another example. A man came to me called Peter. Talk blah, blah, blah from A to Z and all that, looking for this and that. And went back to whoever that sent him and giving them another different narrative, lying against me, adding salt and pepper, saying what did not happen. I brought out the conversation to clear myself between myself and him. The other one that was in the third party that contributed, I never played that one. When that one joined him to fight me to say that Peter is this, I brought that one on out to clear myself, to tell the world he is the partner in crime in this. That is how it works. Take me to court tomorrow. I will defend myself. This nonentity telling the world that I am asking him to have something with me or to marry or whatever. Defending me, try to ridicule my personality, making my fiance or my husband to look less of me. I have to use this conversation to prove myself right, to debunk him. Case closed. If Maryam Justice take this demon to court, what will that demon tell the court of law Maryam Justice did to her? Zero, nothing. Zero. Zero, nothing. What did she, not what did the Kingsley did to you, what did Maryam Justice did to you? Did she defend you? Do you have evidence of anywhere she defend you? The case is zero. I try my best to put this thing to balance it, to make her understand that voice is not important. It's irrelevant in this fight between you and Kinsley. What did these demons did? They drag Princess to shut me up. Why must you analyze the truth? Why must you make the world know the difference of me defending myself? They hate that truth. They detest that truth. They want to shut my mouth by dragging Princess, thinking because they don't know what is going on within Obanje, they think they can do it and go cut-free. I wish you know. Mercy, make quickly now. I started analyzing. I went back to their videos. 2-3 weeks. Let me know the motive of this voice. I realized it was jealousy. Dragging position, dragging, how do I put it? Interest. He has his interest more than my interest. He take him special more than me. That is the reason why they made the video said, Madam Justice said, they actually use intelligent caller dump boy. No way on no use here. They brought that topic to clear the air, to make you guys feel that they are just using him. After they use him, they will now come to us and will now be relevant. They see that, they think the public are seeing them that they are not relevant to Madam Justice. So they want to make themselves relevant to the public, to the people. Have feeding money, that's, give them peanuts to sit on live video for 100 hours. They want to make themselves important before the people. So they try to ridicule another to make themselves important, because the woman is making them less important. The woman never give them her time, don't even engage in long conversation with them, make them irrelevant. She will try to protect her dignity, her respect, because these individuals has been using their platforms to write rest in peace, to mortar, to casket living children, family, parents, mother. She don't want to really associate herself with these individuals with her bold heart, with her bare hands. She just playing a little along, just to make them happy a little bit. She can't be proud enough to, be bold and call them their friend in public, knowing the evil they have committed with their platforms. Who responsible, dignified woman or man will take you serious after using your platform to write living children rest in peace? Yes. If you want to be recognized in a society with people that matters, that watch these things, you should give yourself some respect in your actions. You don't come out, you think people are fake account to hailing you, right on, do it to refrap some of the fake, some, not all, some of the fake accounts. If go close to them, they don't want 20 naira slippers in Nigeria. Yes, they are opportune to be in one remote country where they have a free Wi-Fi. There are maybe 1,000 people in one room, pressing computer, eating flour, they make bread. They as a swallow. They are there praying to God to bless them. They've been there 10 years, 100 years, 16 years, 5 years, typing on your comment section, telling you right down, begging 2 naira, 3 naira, 10 naira to feed every day. Going in the street begging. On a street 2 naira to eat. They will come to your comment section now, say right down. You think you have a followers, and you will, because of those riffraffs that amount to nothing, that cannot even offer any decent thing to anybody. Because of them, you ridicule a personality that can change your life for good. Because you don't have wisdom and you are blind spiritually you are blind. If you are spiritually alert, igamonye with your destiny helper when he come across you. So you, because of write down fake account, you ridicule your destiny helper. Destiny helper, you don't know where they are watching you. You think bringing those things now with that casket, bury living people in your page in the name to answer Odogu, to answer now we go carry the trophy or walk up so that the people will be scared of you. You can shut them out by bringing their children, write them rest in peace, or do a casket just keep brew the walk up. And after achieving all that with your page, you expect a very responsible person to recognize you, to come and be proud to call you her own or his own. No. Nobody will be proud to associate with you. Nobody. So if the woman distance herself from you, I don't blame her. If Maryam Justice Campafaya distance herself from those people that share women nude, tag living children, rest in peace, create a casket and bury my goodness God. My dear, let me use myself as an example. When we are doing Nora Duro, that I think that was the first time I witnessed it live, watched it. Forget other ones I will see, they will post it. I'll be like, where is this one coming from? Who did this one? When I saw the current affair, I never knew people that was doing it. I never knew the group where that one was coming out. Until Ogechi Okeke Njaka where for the people, somehow they should start to reposting that thing. That's when I even know. So Nandi and Emery hash in a group Ogechi, which means how in a separate group when he was calling those regular name, Amaka Lolonaj, Keda had the other one again, Akwabeke, also, all the three regular three names. Yeah, I'm about to send Hanoku, the next same Piam, page and motivate, you know, who rest in peace. It took me time for me to realize Nandi Neme and National Kabalo Gechapota. You may not believe it, and that is a fact. The one who like this, when Ekwen Swabi Canada, Jipegia, where bury a living child. I just carry my bag that day. You know the way you go to meeting, you put up again, me pay door, kick a motogi with him. That was it. Type, support, I had problem because of this in Bechilano, Angola, because of that matter. When he called my opinion, I condemn it. I was like, I don't want to talk about that nonsense. When I was talking about it then, I remember I was addressing it. I can't remember how I was addressing it. Even the personage in Wayame was warning me. Even I was even fighting underground. This kind of thing. My spirit in a so and so, I don't support this. I can never. I was calling that woman that time. She refused to pick my call. When she was doing it, after she didn't pick my call that period. Oruhu some weeks. Yeah, the canoe from Ogechi. Ogechi Okeke went to the page that day, called that Eke. Now yeah, collect to to nanya honeme. If you see my comments, like whatever in such places, please screenshot it, go and send it to me. That's why if I stand to lay course when you draw such thing close to me, me bugo zugi between that period, forget your law. Forget the law. Have to go to law now. Because as far as I have never one day support it, do it, discuss it, encouraged. If you bring it to me, me lagi, because we are talking about spiritual now. Now can with them to rest in peace. Onye den the day rest in peace. And it's seen onyahu banye nega rest in peace before 78. Unless onya how to pray. Unless how to activate the spiritual world. How to go to na alamwa hetore obanye basarea. How to go and retaliate harder. Hey, may change. Get turn out in his no yaho. Unless onya how to activate it. Ole sonyaho akaya adihocha in that area. Kedi hegi na madu ke megide no wa. Tapa put that picture there, rest in peace. Gone soon, gone forever, rest in hell. Onye dent. Then image higher, you expect somebody like Maryam Justice. Kobia Wiregi Meregi as a friend. Tell me, who is your friends that you hang around, and I will tell you who you are. Sometimes you guys will see that the page has not been active. Why suddenly she was so active this period? When it was Ogechi, Ogechi was even saying before, in the carry busy. Ogechi was like before, in the carry busy, but all of a sudden now it is active. Yes, because I was not proud of what you are doing to people on social media. I was not proud of you. I was ashamed of you. Anywhere I go in a gather meeting, club, evil about you. Due to now somebody, as far as Nancy, my friend, I got my see because he my yes, she's my friend, but I know she did this one, she did this one. Are you perfect? I will still find a way. What of Chineke gara law prostitute to turn where ya or a cent? I will still try a way. Nature Bonya who get change to a better person. But I will not deny you because I see the word is against you. No. But I will never be proud of you. But I can't deny you. So this is the reason why that voice came out. When I was in Anya Gabi, Tejan Coco, or the Tejan Coco, no, I want to nefe, nka, look at the woman, on your coach and all with the self. Born not the too big, she's too pompous. I boy on her phone, is a call out problem. Hey, she even blocked me. We go teach her a lesson. Never caught you guy down without toss. Kaimonia gave broadcast, when you go Kumako Ogechi, Kai Lapo, Kaimonia gave me, Kai scatter, let's scatter it. Kaiba Kaga say, what I justice, Kaiho, we go help them scatter them. That was all. That was all. That is what prompted that defaming voice messages. And they made it as a tradition when you come out to condemn and they say your peace, truth, you will not be a target. It will not be a tradition. Bring her child. Bring this one. Let's catch you. Let's bury here. Unu get bury child this time. Unu poto was unu chu anything bidoro na si chai chu children chai una efepụ ọsọ. In fact, unu maintain ya onye kpọrọ ogige ịkpọ ya, onye chọrọ ogige ịchọ ya. So, in conclusion, my people, I condemn the video, I condemn the voice in my own little way without no adding insult. That is how I became target. Princess became target. Princess became target. As a thank you, I became target. But God allowed me to do that, to position me close to Maryam justice, to perfect the justice. Yes, she can testify to that. Nobody who born you in Akumogo, when they gonna saga, somebody will pay me, go and talk, no? I came out to, my spirit pushed me to come. This is wrong. Condemn this nonsense. I couldn't sleep with that voice. I was disturbed. I came out. They dragged me. And God said, this is the time to go inside and help this Maryam justice to stay strong and fight for Ndibo. Because she may give up because of this trending voice. On my own, how it happened, it is a story for another day. That is how we began. Because truly, there was a meeting from Ogechi to use that voice to destabilize the woman. Now, let me give you another point. Immediately that voice started trending, they started saying, Ogechi mere go ruru ka nka. Akwa gwara gị mee peace with Ogechi gejo. Akwa ihe mere go ruru na nka. Nwanyị Abuja, hapụ m ka m mechaa ndị ahụ. Just pụọra m n'ụzọ. They bido emotional blackmail. Hapụrụ m ka m hụ na ihe ha mere gị na. Pụọ n'ụzọ let me deal with these people. Pụọ n'ụzọ, let me deal with these people. Yatago? Hey, bido emotional blackmail. I need to send these people from Azo. And I boy saga this side. And I send it from that side. Kagayoya. And I appear from this side. And I play the voice. Hey, Shukanazo. They were using the AK. Ekamakwana use here to establish themselves. Hana see a Pewea. Hana Shukanazo. Naga yoya. Okay, when I make it. All of them. They even saving PJ. All of them. Make it. Oh, they will all come against you. I am the best person. I forget that number again. But you are here. And I sukwana Pewea. Hana Shukanazo Nagayo. More gragra on our walk. You know what Banyadia. Now I go escalate it. I go, what? Let me go back to America. Nge me escalate it. Ne tinye emotional trauma. Ne tinye fear in her. Kamara Moga said, let me just settle with this girl. Can men accept now? Let me just settle with her. So that many settle laws honors maybe I don't undertake you know that was him alpha. Almost like honors the faces here, those people. Or Mark was more and that was the plan. Make Quechirino. You dare not suppress the justice for your selfish interests. It was not ordinary. It was a spiritual fight battle. God will hear them a bag. See, we'll look at where they went. This person have taken this woman to this place to 45. After 45, him was there operate. From there, they will manipulate. How manipulate Tonya? How manipulate Tonya? How manipulate Tonya? Hey, video spiritual manipulation. They came to me, my piazza. How gonya? They start manipulating. Even Maryam Justice can testify what I just said. After how manipulate each other, you know, Piato, the stronghold of this. Marcia, go back to those people gathering your money because it will not work. You must face the justice. It was not easy. I can never appreciate Chim enough. Because if we come for the prayer, I know they pray. I just may want to I am not that practical. But once I close my eye, they will show it to me. Tighten your bet up. I'm not a prayerful person, but I can activate and dismantle once they show it to me. My dismantle. Oh, weekend of 4 days, I've never done anything. I never even ordinary mirimga open to appreciate Chim. But they must come to tell me they have come. Look at how they're gonna manipulate it. She finally came to me to use me the last battle. I told you guys, where destroy that power spiritually. The next 24 hours, she was apprehended. Wow. Don't underestimate there is no power, juju, honor. But you have to be strong and go on in a church, in a tradition. Know the gadget that guide traditions. In little things, you don't need to do too much. You will dismantle them. Small thing. Most importantly, with Osoji, you're done. Don't need too much. You will dismantle them. They showed me. This is my calling. I am supposed not to be here, but I don't want to. I don't want to submit to that 100%. Let me use it to fight, liberate anything around me, my people, and dismantle them. Dismantle her just to pass way, to pave way till the day Chineke ga say, come home. And Nanka. I don't want to be subjected to God, no. But anybody better around me will learn, will practice, and they will use it to work for them. Or let's say one that thing. I will tell you what to do to defeat whatever challenges. No. You can't practice this natural tradition. Practicing. Maina saw in your hands. It must be clean. Or less knowingly. He mere ina no problem. Akpachakwana anya me mmadu ihe ọjọọ rie ihe mmadu. Nke mmadu wuru nke ya, nke gị wuru nke mo dere m nke onye dere ya. Ugo bere nke si ibe ebe kona ukwukwakwa ya isi. Ọchụ nwa ọkụkọ nwa ada nwa ọkụkọ nwe ọsọ. Onye nọ n'obi m.
Sorry, I think I'm joining you. I think I'm not line.
Onye ka asụkwala ka nwanne m o.
Huh?
Okay, I'm live more than 2 hours now. I'm about to close the self. No problem. Okay, I'm going okay. Can't wait for you. Sorry. Go ahead, sis. Hey, this caller just reminded me something. She was telling me that, have you forgotten Mbani star? No back up the thing. And then Mbabi way star. Hane release information. Apply no chaye leak. Apply no chaye leak. And then star. One baby nurse. Then star. Then you call top page star. Mba ha na asina na eme nka oliki asina na eme nke no oliki she was just trying to remind me na mechefugo, but immediately edisitangoro ha this man to all the information not to reach to them. She was just trying to remind me. The caller didn't want to, because she was just pointing it out. Plays the voice agala deeper. Yes, she was right. So that Maryam justice area no the worse than Ogechi. So why can't I forgive Ogechi? Am I communicating? The Ogechi na her syndicates plan channel. So that these people know with Maryam justice may worse than Ogechi Maryam. Can we see if these people can do this for me? Come forgive Ogechi even till tomorrow. Maryam justice said, now here these people Maryam be worse than Ogechi Maryam. Yes. Yes. And that is what they wanted to achieve. The woman will not have a second thought. A send is here. He watch here that period they send it for the peace. Why did not call her to order? Why didn't I call her to order? Send your message straight. I don't know whether I can see this account. He'll be following you, so you can't tell me that you're lost. So you know this story, what I've been talking about. So she wanted to destabilize all the group, all the camp, so that the woman who see reason, to hear Ogechi inner pleading, and not to him put up publicly, or to remain coded peace, because Maryam Justice requested for video of apology to the children and the husband, disclaiming all the allegation. Then post there, then they will not come to round table. That she will not talk to the husband. She didn't want to do public apology. She want to do it quietly. She sent all the people send that I was aware. Yes, send there more work, and she was not going with them. She was sending people to the woman. More work, or the first plan or work on. Yeah, puta. Join ya. Yeah, that's why I second one or work. Yeah, puta. So she believes in using bully to bully you into accept the apology. Either she bully you in the way she normally do, she will come out and bring propaganda, lie, allegation to bully you out of social media, to send depression to you, to demoralize you in any way, so that to shut you up and to send you away on the social media, to make you don't speak again. Once she succeeds that, send you out, she will now dance to another person's tune. So she wanted to use the bully to the woman to accept her apology. But she didn't know that she was messing with the wrong person. So all those plans failed. She now came out fully and joined them to continue playing the voice. She now trying to use little connection to penetrate when they give her little information, when they give her little promise, little hope, she will come out and fire. She's somebody that so much, she's so much live in ego. So any little opportunity of, assistance or any hope of anything that, like, not too sure, just little hope that hope is coming, joy is coming, joy is coming. Oh, this one get click. They will brainwash her. They will make the thing look like possible. She will come out. Before the thing will arrive, she already out to exhibit the egoistic strength. If that one fail, she will sober for 2 days. She will come out again. So this is all she was playing. The time she realized that this thing cannot work, when she saw me in the mix with Maryam Justice, that because she knows what I can do whenever I'm fighting for my right. Oh yeah, why didn't you advise? I want you to write again. Why didn't you call her to order? Call who to order? She did what was the beginning of their. I don't understand this. What you're saying. Do you understand? So anybody that is watching this thing from the beginning, that watched this thing from the beginning, you can relate to what I'm trying to say. That God have a way of rescuing his own and fighting for the justice. He has a way of surprising your enemies. That thing you think that is impossible, he has a way to turn it around to be possible. Everything they preached the woman, she go record you, she go do this, PJ go do this, this, even that one say they go still go back to Ogechi. I want to fair. I will never dika onu akoromo. That has been my logo. E come on, enwe mi ka dika onu enemy mukoromo. I will prove you wrong. In fact, the more you challenge me, the more I will prove you wrong. The more you try to shut me, the more I will come with 100-degree faster. The more you dare me, it's better you don't dare me. If you don't dare me, I'm quietly, slowly let go. But if you dare me, I will go 1,000,000 degrees faster. That's why I'm going to make her the corner koromo. Onye ona na di na-eme ka ọ na-akọrọ ya, iberibe dara ya, daya daruo ya na brain. Madu call on something, try to improve in that thing and be better. Akunu koromono na nwere anya kolomoso back ke ya na kpoda again ke ha kpọrọ that thing ana ke ha na kpozi anya ha self. Onwe ihe ana na common. And a very sweet soul follower. I think yeah, private. The person wrote me, thank you, sister. Same Vaseline. I can go soon. I know they buy them before. I only used this thing when Princess was like 1 month old. I'm use Vaseline. I have to use it naturally. But when you get in the hospital, I'm here, sure. But local, our own, the same they use banka. This is what, before I go to bed, because I'm on night shift, so you can see that thing before Ebanas. I don't night today. I don't night, but you can see, you can't really trace it again. Because so got from no I know they bother before because I was like na night shift they bother me. Me here on a theta will be okay. But I started using it because I told me the corner koromo. Kedi name ma kogono. Do you improve or do you dika ona koroge? They say she will record you, she will record you. And I told myself, the record purpose is because of the online. We learn, everybody maka allegations and ashray. So people started recording people when they come to save their back. But Asimo, for Maryam justice, it can't happen. I have no reason. He's not a bully person. She doesn't gossip. She can't call you and start gossiping you and somebody. So what will be the reason of recording her? So even if I say, okay, let me record this thing to save my back tomorrow in case they deny Yamechi, Asimo. Now, I will not do it. And I make a vow myself, no matter how I want to protect myself. Maybe like for a, okay, let me not go there. When we were having conversation, people are not feeling true. I brought a suggestion, because if this woman is gazetted, police can only do the little. Let's help them to look for this woman. On social media. Yes, I brought the fucking idea, and the police authorize it and do the needful there. So let me say, for example, I would say, okay, okay, so before, let me just gas na record na many agree. But I said anything has to do with a conversation will die and bury with me. So therefore, no record. So that in gas I made a mistake tomorrow, play is there by mistake, by crook, by whatever, mad on no record. So why will I even record? She doesn't bully, she won't come out, okay? So how can I record a personality that I don't have time for this nonsense? So she don't deserve it, it doesn't want it. Because ringing bell, I said I will prove you wrong. Because I told me the corner kromo. What do you do to improve honor and akogi? You end up proving to people, yes, you nukuru makamu wezioko. Oh, PJ, we'll let her go back to Ogechi. They will let her go back to Ogechi. These people, when I know, well, if I can't still buy, nor with Onye, no name, any advice, because one year onye matra before saga ebido. Oh, asina some people now is their character until they lodi did have their worst character. They will not decide either divorce this woman or deal with this woman bad character. That was the circumstances I find myself with Madam Uno. Before saga, we met coincidentally on the line as well. So when the predicament, all these things befalling her, I was still there to advise her the little way, spiritual, physical. But she is eze onya gwalam. Omegide ya meru ya, bia meru zie nebeno. And you say I should not stand and fight? You must be a joker. Some people, you're a bad friend. So all this why. You don't see that. Okundi Maya Kai people. But people very intelligent that follow from beginning understand my stand and they know how it started. Yahoo. Other people ne back one to aka. And I see ni menka and they defend the small. Give to the person that stood in the gap to help. You did not only stop there. The same person that took enmity, everybody on this social space, Kinsley, Akaroko, Mariako, name it from A to Z. I don't know them. They are all your enemies, like you call them. They are all your victims. They are all people that you did one or two. Okay, doing all of them. Keno, Mukonyara na London. Name it. All of them is your victim. Your madam victim. I am just single from the crowd. I don't know them. From Adam. Because of you, they transfer your enemy or your hatred to me. I still stand. Nkwechiri for 8 years. Say her to fucking hell to everybody. I don't care what you people talk about or say. That does not mean that whatever you are doing is right, though. But as onye yara madu no before calamity be there, ma stand the kwano because so here jama onye true friend when somebody kuru with you, get kuru with you. Whether in trouble, whether in celebration, honor with you. I did not meet this one here, na saga. No, for record purpose. I go before all this calamity befall her. Now watch is now watch what is going on. One fateful day, because I noticed Emeka is from my village. Not even like kindred almost. From all her to you know. I say, what is going on? What is this? What is that? They place 1 million on your life at that. That is what prompted me out. What is all this? You know, everybody adore inside. I said, no problem. I have said my mind. No problem. These same people that because of you, took bullet of your 99.100 million people hate. You still came back. Your madam came because I told her, leave Amma alone. If Amma is dancing another tune you don't like, ignore her. For ya. Understand and try to remember 5 years she has been there and ignore her 1 minute, 2 minutes, 1 week utterances, whether or the thought you just happy. That was my crime I committed. She said, you have joined my enemy to do whatever. That will tell you people that all she want to hear is then you become her friend. Yes, rest in peace. Go ahead and do it. Then you become her friend. Yes, all those bad things she did today. Once you said yes, I'm behind you, you become her sweetie, her honey, her everything. If you make objection to that, you become her enemy. I say, well, I rest my case. If you can saga Amma, then who am I? I may be there long, but that person has been there, Baroto, Melu, Mala, to defend you. If you can't consider a little, then man, who am I, man? That was my offense. In Nanyunu, everything played. That is how God wanted. Because God will need me to put her to that place. Because if I was still with her, I don't know. Well, I don't want to talk too much about that. You understand? Asking God have a way of turning your enemy to shame. In fact, let me put it that way. The same people are drag me because of you. Manke good or mankoma. I said I will never have any grudges with them because why? You yourself that they because of you dragged me. You repeated the cycle of what they dragged me with. No be juju be that. Drag all the things they said, you that is because of you. You came back and used that same manji lotara for you. Where ya star bomonazo. Oh God. And you call me that not the mean. Did I hear comment of somebody? You know, whenever I'm talking, Okumneli did something. And somebody will come and say, PJ the mean. I am not just mean. I am deep mean. If she can actually repeat the same thing because of now, yeah, allow she to repeat that thing. The bullet I took from her, she take that bullet from my body and press it in my heart. I will bite your anus. I got my sword and shame not in there. Yes. And God allowed her to do that. To tell me, to show me, for me to feel what other people are feeling. People's pain. The reason why they were dragging me, because they are pain to see that this woman is doing this to them, and I'm still there to, like, you know, or whatever. I'm not seeing Hasim okay, Eben I see and you got drug there. Yes, the same people. Why? That's why I just came out to say I will never hold grudges to all of them, and I maintain it. I maintain it, and this one no Canada say that she cannot respect her space, knowing full well I never come for her. Biase for me, I will come for you. Yes, I will, and I maintain it next to this war end there until you say no more your problem. And the Ogechi where to Princess Aka. I can pay anybody on this earth because of Princess. If you don't know it, know it. Even a husband cannot, I will not spare you. A husband, I won't spare a husband for her sake. Yes, it is that bad. Asida, your name is sorry. Maybe anything from one. It's your last bus stop. Any of you that have entangled her, you see, on a madam, I can wave it. See that child that she showcased. That is that video I'm holding. Every other video I don't care. That video she saw, she stole the child. She did that. As far as link Princess, you will have me to contend with. You have me to contend with. So you are free to call me mean. And when I'm every right to be deep mean. Mean M double triple M capital. That is what you should be putting, because the mean is understatement. If you put myself in your shoe and you took this bullet, ordinary bullet, the real bullet rod, or ordinary bullet, take it at this massive risky. To this girl, both here, both everywhere in the world, Nigeria worst. And I'm a very social free person to people, knowing full well battalion hate this woman. Still chimney dukwam, chimney dum. They born a ofonye anako yourself gashike. Too much threat everywhere concerning ofonye. The same person turn around and come and stab you, and you see me the name. You must be joking. Unu na-egwu egwu. Nye nji na-ekwu okwu a ihe dị ka mmadụ ahụrụ nke na-akọmọtụ. A jike. Ihe dị ka gị. Mmadụ dị ka gị ka nsi na-ekwu okwu a. You been with her 8 years. Right? Anybody jụrụ m ajụjụ a. I will dare finish you. I will not insult you, but you get one word to finish again. I am Elecha Anyway, that is my name. And I practice it. And don't say because I practice it. I may not say what to you, but unge do in your place. Unge make sure and do in your place. Do you get me? So I have to end it now. I think I have exhausted my time. I think I have really made your day. Amen. This matter, we are not ending anytime soon. And this is not a saga. This is a true life story of people, what they encounter in the hands of Ogechi Okeke Njaka. It is not a saga. It is a reality that happened to people. People were depressed. People were demoralized. People confidence was taken away from them. People dignity, respect was tampered. So it is not saga. It is a reality that we need to address to get justice in the court of law. It is not saga. So you can go to your page and do saga. Call it whatever you know. I am happy today we have gotten to the court. And that's where everything will end. So from here, I will appreciate you all again. And Maryam Justice, my sister, my friend, my love, this sister from another mother. I know you're going to see Kingsley video once again. Please, if you're just joining, go back and watch the beginning, the 10-20 minutes of my broadcast. You will see the reason why I came in here. I log in here for the sake of Kingsley, because I know very soon that case is going to be activated. We slow down on that case of demeaning voice. Those 3 people lived in Cambodia, Vietnam, and Canada, displayed on air. We slowed on that case because of Ogechi Okeke Njaka case. We apprehended her all of a sudden. We are like on it, but it was a shock how we got her finally. So we faced, Madam, stop making noise. You stole a child. I like your motam with here now. Banned you. You want to comment? Banned. I like that band. So I was saying something about our sister. So we just slow down on that case because we needed to put 100% attention on Ogechi case, because that was the genesis, the captain of the ship of bullying and every other thing people experience on social media. She was their captain. Like we rightly said to the authority and others, it is a gang of people, gang of group of people that spread everywhere. So that's why you see that their madam not inside, they are still operating slowly in their pages, still continue the bully. So because of that case, it seems that side was quiet. I think that's what gave that drunkard mind to come out and talk, thinking he has been exempted. No. So very soon, that case is coming very, very fast. Very fast. The case has been activated. So we are going to put 100% energy. The same energy we put in for Ogechi, we are putting in that case. If you don't like it, go and hit transformer. Yes. So put the same energy, then you guys will see the result soon. Then the one I broadcast, that I put in these 4 names. Get out here. Obano, Manga, Happiness Duru, and Kalisus Azubike something. Let me check that middle name, yeah. I mean our first name. It is only for the princess case. The people that said they will pay her and the people that call her stolen, this is for her alone. Then Innocent have already given us evidence that he is the captain of that ship. Yes. So your name has been included. Yes. Because the same page that was given where all those atrocities, all those acts took place, you were there to repeat what they said. So you provide them, you know them, you have access to them, you are partner in crimes. Your name is coming in that petition. Yes. Then Maryam Justice is different. The same cartel. The only person that is not in the Maryam Justice is one Wokangola. So that is a two different case coming on this individual's name. So that one is not for Maryam Justice, that one is for me separately. And since 7 days has elapsed, I got information from the Interpol that they did not respond, they did not acknowledge it, and they received it. It has ticked that they received it. They have done all their findings, they have found out they received it. So the next step, you guys will hear from me. So from here, I will say good night, good afternoon, good morning, depending where you're watching me from. Maryam Justice, once again, I thank you. I know you're going to accept Kingsley apology. If you need more, please don't hesitate to open up to me as usual. Kingsley is willing to do it. And after you accept her, accept the apology from your heart, because your heart needs to heal. I know once your heart is healed, you will accept him. Once you accept him, two of you will now work together to apprehend those people recorded him and put it on social media. But your heart needs to heal first, and you forgive him, and you will tamper justice with mercy. Both of you will work together. You're not working together, you're not going to be speaking together or whatever. No. You work together in this case. You need Kingsley. Kingsley needs you. For this case, I know you understand where I'm going. I want to, all our lovers, if you want to sub, if you have opportunity to do a video, if you can do a video, or you send your sub, or you send your voice, send it to me. Let's send it to her. Any word you know you're gonna use, so that we need to her heart to melt. Once her heart is softened, this forgiveness comes from heart. And this, once your heart is wounded, when your heart is wounded, and it takes time to heal, and the only thing that can heal is consistent apologizing, and consistent being, remorse, which Kingsley is doing. It will heal. So that's why I say let me make it public. If not for anybody else, because of me. Taking the fact that if I once came out to condemn that voice, just because of that alone, forgive Kingsley. Because of that voice, Princess was tagged. For that alone, but I just forgive Kingsley. And see what God will do in this justice. Sorry, guys, that I have to be emotional. Because of that voice, Kingsley and Princess was dragged. If not for any other thing, just use because of that fact that innocent princess was dragged because of I was condemning that same voice. Forgive Kingsley. Thank you.
I just want to appreciate intelligent caller Kingsley and you and several others that have been supporting this whole movement. I know a lot of people are just behind the scene. But you people that have been up and doing, coming out, on daily basis. I want to even appreciate somebody like this Henry, one Chimeze in the
Yeah,
UK.
about that Chimeze, Henry Chimeze, yes.
I appreciate such people, and equally one Frank Okoli. In as much as me and he have, but as in he necessary money just something away, something away, and is that that woman and I gotta be no cause or money and so, you know, that woman has a way she can manipulate people to believe, But I know I'm happy that today and a lot of people have seen that in that I saw that I was running. You didn't know, PJ, you don't know me very, very well. You don't know that I am the very first person that said, Ogechi, you must stop whatever you are doing. You know, I am the very first. I don't want to say, people are taking the glory. No, it's not what what I'm talking. I'm maybe trying to, bring her to the public. No, just for people to know that I've been in this thing. When there was kind of people were so scared. People were not. People wanted to stop her, but they didn't even know how. But I was the first person that tell her, you must stop it. I even came out openly to say when I saw that she's not ready, she's bent on trying to use her normal tactic. I could have given up. I could have said okay. I was not afraid because she said she had my nude picture. She said the NGO. I wanted her to be. I wanted to be part of her NGO. I don't know whether NGO is a business that I needed. I don't know how something that I'm even dishing out my money for. How will I even be looking for? I don't think NGO. How I say NGO is not a business. So in all, I saw when I shouted out, when I came out, a lot of people supported me. Forget that a lot of them now they have went back to trying to jeopardize the whole thing. But I know most of them are happy that Ogechi is behind bars. I know. Forget what this thing they do. Are just doing it because of maybe they are falling up, having problem with one another, but they will not choose to say, okay, let me go to Ogechi and do this and prepare this. So my own is I want to appreciate all the good people that that we are there when everything was today now, as I'm telling you now. Please let me not forget my sister Maryam Shehu,
Yes.
which I consider she did, you know, she did the apart from intelligent caller, that Maryam Shehu did very wonderful something, because it's not easy what she did. I'm not lying. She was so consistent. She was saying it that definitely all these people they're gonna pay for their sin. And for most of them that are still there parabolating, doing everything they're doing, let them know, let them use Ogechi as example. Ogechi, like you said, if you were with Ogechi, you could have at least it will not reach to this level. There could have been maybe even that time they tried to arrest her, give her bail. I know you ask her, hey, please in the Gawa Abuja. You want to go see what will happen. Abi, I want you if I can get me one now.
Yeah. Something like
Mm.
at least a
I thought,
price that would not escalate things.
something like that. But